I made $1,000 in just 7 days using free AI tools, and I'm about to show you exactly how I did it. In my previous video, 5 AI Tools 2025, I showed you the top AI tools that can help you make money online, and today I'm going to take it to the next level. First, let's talk about the potential of AI in making money online. With the rise of AI tools like ChatGPT, it's never been easier to earn passive income online. For example, I used ChatGPT to create a simple chatbot that earns me $100 per month, and I'm going to show you how to do the same. Another example is using AI tools to create and sell digital products like ebooks and courses. I made $500 in 1 week by selling a simple ebook created using AI tools. Now, let's move on to the first method, which is using AI to create and sell online courses. I made $200 in 1 day by selling a course on a platform like Udemy, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. The second method is using AI to create and sell ebooks. I made $300 in 1 week by selling an ebook on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, and I'm going to show you the step-by-step process. The third method is using AI to create a chatbot that earns you passive income. I made $100 per month using a simple chatbot created using ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you how to create one. As a bonus tip, I'm going to show you how to use AI to create a website that earns you passive income. I made $500 in 1 month by creating a simple website using AI tools, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money with AI and other online earning ideas, and hit the notification bell to stay updated.